Let me guess. You make money, but somehow it disappears. No matter how hard you try, saving feels impossible. What if I told you the problem is not your income? Most beginners fail at saving money because they start with the wrong rules. And today, I'm going to show you the rules that actually work. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to save money as a beginner, even if you feel broke right now. First, let's understand why beginners fail at saving money. Beginners don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because nobody teaches them how money really works. Saving money is not about willpower. It's about systems. If willpower worked, everyone would be rich by now. As a beginner, you probably do this. You spend first, and then try to save what's left. But there's never anything left. So let's flip the system completely. Rule number 1 for beginners. Save first, spend later. If you wait to save, you will never save. The moment you receive money, salary, business income, even a gift, you save immediately. And no, it doesn't have to be a lot. Even 5%, even 10%. Beginners don't need big savings. They need proof. Proof that they can control money. Saving small amounts builds confidence. So step 1 is simple. Save first always. Now, here's where beginners make another mistake. They try to track everything. Every expense. Every category. Every detail. That's overwhelming, and beginners quit. As a beginner, track one thing only. Your daily spending. Not monthly. Daily. For the next 7 days, write down every small expense. Snacks. Transport. Small online purchases. Small expenses destroy savings faster than big ones. Because you don't feel them. And that brings us to the third step. If you see the money, you will spend it. That's why beginners must separate their savings. A different account. A different wallet. A different place. Out of sight means out of temptation. This is not discipline. This is psychology. Your brain protects money it doesn't see every day. Now let's talk about the mistakes that kill savings. The first mistake is waiting to earn more. More income will not fix bad habits. The second mistake is saving what's left. There is never anything left. The third mistake is quitting too early. Saving is boring at the beginning, and that's normal. So here's a realistic plan. In the first month, focus on consistency, not the amount of money you save. Consistency always beats motivation. In the second month, reduce just one daily expense. One change is enough. In the third month, increase your savings slowly. Slow progress is still progress. Now let's recap everything. Save first. Track daily spending. Separate your savings. Saving money as a beginner is not about being rich. It's about control. Control gives confidence. And confidence changes your future. If this video helped you, you belong here. Subscribe to channel. We don't judge money mistakes. We solve them.